Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Office 365 account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.office.com and press enter on a keyboard. Go to the top right hand corner and click on the sign in button with a human figure in it. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll end up in this page. You'll need to go ahead and type in your Microsoft account's credentials to log into your Office 365 account. So, make sure to type in your credentials correct. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, click on Create One and follow the registration process first. Once you have it, go ahead and enter either your email address, your phone number or your Skype ID in the text box. Soon after you type it in, click Next. Enter your password on the next page and make sure to type in your password correct, otherwise you won't be able to log into your account. In case you don't remember the password, click Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. After typing in your password, click Sign In. If you'd like to stay signed into your Microsoft account, click on Yes, but make sure to click on No if you're using a public or a shared device. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself in the home page of Office 365. Now, once you're logged in, you can start using the apps on the web or access other web services associated with your account, such as OneDrive and so much more. That is how you can easily log into your Office 365 account on your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.